Racing lawnmowers is about like NASCAR. They make left turns. We're in the wide open. You know, all we have is a helmet to protect our brains or whatever. And you're out here running 40 mile an hour on an 8 mile an hour lawnmower. What's greater than that?
I've been drinking muddy water, sleeping in a hollow log. I've been drinking muddy water, sleeping in a hollow log.
People look at you like you're crazy. But Dad always told me, if you bring whatever you're racing home on the trailer in one piece, that's a good night of racing. My name's Michael Graves. I'm actually a small engine mechanic. Lawnmower racing is my life. Yeah, I mean, I don't spend thousands and thousands of dollars to do it, but yeah, I spend, quite a bit of time working on them. But what's time? Everybody's got time. I got into racing when I was about 16 years old. My whole family raced. My dad raced, I raced, my mom raced. My sister raced a little bit. Like they always say, our family that races together stays together. My dad drove stock car for 40-something years. I just took his number, and as far as I can remember, I have never ever seen another 41X stock car. When I was 5 or 6 years old, I had surgery on my legs for the cerebral palsy. And I had an ATV that I wanted to ride, but I couldn't work the foot shifter with my foot because of the cerebral palsy. So my father modified it to where I could shift it with my hand. Nobody else had one. So I felt like King Tut, with this Harley Davidson shifter, and my father built it. See if I can find it real quick here. Dad was driving a stock car one night, and Dad got in a wreck, which could have been avoided. After he came in the pit, he loaded the car on the trailer. I walked over there and I said, "What are you doing?" He's like, "I'm done." He said, "I can't see nothing." I said, "What do you mean you can't see?" He said, "I have no vision." Yeah, he was 53 when we found out he had cancer.
What was the cancer?
It was brain tumors. I didn't want to be there to see his last breath. I just couldn't handle it. I lost my best friend. Wherever I was, he was, or wherever he was, I was. That's the way we were. God, I love him. I know he's looking at me now. He always pushed me to keep going. He said, never give up. As long as I race, that number right there will be on my mower.